Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today we'll be learning how to make banana milkshake. And to make banana milkshake, what we'll be needing is our banana, honey. You can see this madurasa pure honey, and then our milk. Then to make a glass of a banana milkshake, what I'll be using is just two bananas. I'll use two bananas out of this bunch I have here, and then a teaspoon of honey and a cup of milk. So that's what I'll be using. So what I'll do is to set this aside, set all of this aside, and then slice the banana. I'm going to use just two out of this. So I think I'm done. Then I'll bring the blender. I'm going to pour the two banana I sliced into this. Then a cup of milk into this. So I'm adding the 1 tablespoon of the honey. Ow! Inside. If you feel like adding more, you can add. But mine, I'll just add one. I add 1 tablespoon. But if you want to add more, you can go ahead and add. Then after that, we'll go ahead to blend. You make sure you blend it properly. So we have our banana milkshake. So after blending, this is what we have. Make sure you go ahead and blend it properly, and then you can go ahead to serve. Wow. Your banana milkshake is ready.